How to fix Clash of Clans not opening. Hey Clashers, welcome back to the channel. If you are here, it probably means your favorite game Clash of Clans isn't opening, and you're super frustrating. But don't worry, I'm here to help you get back to building your village in no time. Let's dive into some easy steps to fix this issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First thing first, let's make sure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can prevent Clash of Clans from opening properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi to see if that helps. If you are on Wi-Fi, restart your router. If that doesn't work, move closer to the router for a stronger signal. Step 2. Restart your device. A simple yet effective step is to restart your device. This can help clear out any minor glitches that might be causing the problem. Just hold down the power button and select Restart on your Android device. For iPhone users, hold the power button and the volume down button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update Clash of Clans. Sometimes the game might not open because you are using an outdated version. Let's check if there is an update available. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Clash of Clans and see if there is an update button. If there is, tap on it and let the game update. Step 4. Clear cache. Clearing the cache and data can sometimes solve the problem. But be careful, clearing the data will reset the game settings. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Clash of Clans, tap on Storage, and then Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, you can try Clear Data, but remember, it will reset your game settings. If the game still isn't opening, it might be time to reinstall it. Don't worry, your progress is saved in your Supercell ID or Google Play Games account. Uninstall Clash of Clans by holding the app icon and selecting Uninstall. Then go back to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Clash of Clans and reinstall it. Open the game and log in with your Supercell ID or Google Play Games account. Alright Clashers, those are the steps to fix Clash of Clans not opening issue. If you followed these steps, your game should be working now. If you are still having trouble, it might be an issue on Supercell's side. So keep an eye on their official channels for updates. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Clash of Clans tips and tricks. See you in the next video and happy clashing!